What's going on, everyone? I want to take a look at three stocks going into the end of this week as well as next week, which is going to be the start of a new year, 2022. I hope you guys are all ready for the new trading year. I hope you guys are all, kind of locking in your trading plans, focusing and dialing in on what you need to do, what you could have done better this year, and what we're going to change going into next year. But some of these stocks that I'm going to be watching, obviously, if you guys follow me, if you're in my Discord, which by the way, that link is down in the description box below, completely free to join. Great group of traders that I have in there. Awesome, tight knit community, But anyways, that's besides the point. A couple of stocks, if you have been following me, you know that predominantly I'm going to be trading mega caps, and I'm going to be trading the triple Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100. I'm going to be trading Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, AMD, NVIDIA, so forth and so forth. But with that being said, the first stock on my list going into this week, again, I'm not really expecting a lot of price action this week. I am expecting a little bit of a rest week. We did break out and close over that $401 area on the triple Qs, which is extremely bullish. I do think that we start testing all-time highs at around 408 going into possibly next week or even the week after in January. But with that being said, one of the big levels that we're going to need to be watching is on Microsoft. That's going to be 344. I have been trading in and out of Microsoft over the last week, was calling levels down at the 320s, 330s. Now we're all the way up here in the 340s. So you can see today we did come into that 344.60. That is going to correlate with the pre-market and opening bell highs here. Kind of got rejected here. A little bit of selling pressure. We are above all levels of supply, the 20, 10, and 5-day moving averages. Our hard supports are going to be 341.72 as well as around 338, 339 area, right at this 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. For day trading and overnight swings, weekly swing trading, being that I'm an options player, I do like to use the hourly time frame to kind of get my levels of support for the week. So that 338.68 level is going to be a hard area of support. If we do dip into that anytime tomorrow, it will be a dip buy for me. If we can hold it, obviously, if we do lose that and get an hourly close below that, next support is going to be down here at 335. Not really expecting that, but anything can happen. If we do get any sort of a green open or a push right off of the opening bell, what I would be looking to do is looking to take a scalp play. Now, this can be anywhere from a minute to 30 minutes to an hour long, just depending on how long the move wants to go in my favor. But that $344.60 is definitely where I'm going to be looking to get long. I'm going to be looking to take cash flow, meaning that as soon as the move starts to work in my favor on my options premiums, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points in the money, I'm going to look to scale out and take my money. Make sure that when you are going in with the day traders plan of attack or a scalping plan of attack, when the move goes in your favor, the last thing we want to do is see it go up 1, 2, 3 points off of your entry, and then you get greedy and then say, well, it's working in my favor, let me just hold. How high can this go? That's not the way that this game works. The way that this game works is, especially when you're scalping and especially when you're day trading, if you have a specific level going long or short and that level confirms, that what you're looking to do is get 1, 2, 3 points in the money. If the stock happens to ride up 3, 4, 5, 10 points, that's considered a home run. We're not looking to, hit a bunch of home runs. If you're any familiar with baseball, I'd rather get, I'd rather hit 100 singles and doubles in a season than, strike out 100 times trying to hit 10 home runs. I hope that kind of makes sense. But what I'm saying is that 344.66 is going to be the area I want to look to go long. If we do have any bit of selling pressure here and we start to lose 340, I'm just going to kind of sit it out. I'm not looking to short anything right now, but right around this 338, 339, I'll be looking to bounce. Next stock is going to be NVIDIA. I do have an overnight swing on this position right now. I am looking to sell this at any point tomorrow green. I did snag it down here off of this 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. I think it's around $50 and a half, could be closer to $300.50. It could be a little bit closer to 301. I think it's closer to 301 is where I snagged this. I'm up about 32% on these options contracts. So anything popping in my favor, I'm going to be looking to take cash flow. Anything over 305, 83, 306, 307, 308, 309, I'll be looking to sell for cash flow. If we do lose the 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame, again, just going to get out of Nvidia's way because we do have support down here at 298. Kind of just let it rest, let it do its thing. Next stock that I want to take a look at is AMD. Couple possible plays that we can do here. There's going to be a sneaky area for scalpers. If you're experienced, 154.26, you are going to have room into this 156.74. Mind you, if you do get 50 cents, 75 cents, $1.50 move in your favor, just take your cash flow. You are going to run into resistance at this 156.74. If we're talking about swinging AMD into the new year, it's going to need to close over 156.74. Another level that I'm going to be looking at here is over 155.25. As soon as we confirm 155.25, I'm going to look to take a scalp or day trade in that and look for a dollar move into that 156.74. I'm going to go as close to in the money, at the money as possible. I'm not going to take 170 strikes. I'm not going to take 165 strikes if I'm only looking for a dollar move. I'm going to get as close to the stock price as possible, going in the money or right at the money, looking for just that dollar move. Guys, I hope that helps. Just giving you 3 stocks that I'm going to be watching going into the rest of this week. Possible bounce plays, possible breakouts. But again, I am expecting a little bit of a slower trading week this week, which is completely fine, completely healthy for the market. Join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up on this video, as well as comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all on the next video.